also helping him breach the defenses.
या बिल्कुल गार्ड को यहाँ पर ये मुक्केबाजी मुझे लगता नहीं 3 राउंड्स तक चलने वाली है.
Very strong right from Mothiba, getting the 3rd point in. Shooting a fantastic combination now. The only thing you have to be careful of is not getting over offensive and letting his own defense down for the counter attack.
Yeah, और 3 राउंड्स अगर इसमें पूरे चले और पॉइंट्स का डिफरेंस बहुत ज्यादा रहने वाला है अगर चले भी 3 राउंड्स. क्योंकि मोतीबा पूरी तरह से अपने फुटवर्क के जरिए, अपने लेफ्ट राइट पंचेस के जरिए स्कॉटलैंड के मुक्केबाज को बिल्कुल अवसर नहीं देने वाले. ये उन्होंने शुरुआत में ही बता दिया.
Well, Aston Brown seems to be pretty agile on his feet. He's got the height advantage over his opponent as well, but he's a quick mover. Yet it's that open guard that's conceded those 3 points. Now got that peekaboo stance with both the hands right around the ear. Well, this is something he should have done a lot earlier.
या बिल्कुल. आदित्य भी अपना गार्ड पूरा ले रखा है लेकिन अंकों के लिए कोई प्रयास नहीं. यहाँ पर थोड़ी सी कमी थी स्ट्रेंथ की.
Managing to get on to the scoring system with that point, Aston Brown. But a little caution on not hitting with the inside of the glove for Mothiba.
तो साउथ का होने का पूरा एडवांटेज उठा रहे हैं. लेफ्ट राइट का कॉम्बिनेशन. शायद थोड़ा सा मोटिवेशन मिला मोतीबा को देखकर.
Counting down, just about 5 seconds to go now in this first round of this bout. There goes the hooter. So 2-point lead going into the end of round 1 for Mothiba. Just feeling with that left jab and then trying to follow it up with the right. Oh, that was a strong combination. Right, left, straight to the face, scoring points for Mothiba. Again, it's that loose defense that's left Aston Brown down. Very, very disappointed having conceded those early 3 points. Brown was always trying to play the catch-up game. Another strong right from Mothiba, and that's what forced Aston Brown to get the defense up. That was a weak right, not really counting for points, and then the defense coming up, not allowing the points. Yet Mothiba was pushing. So at the end of round 1, what's your comment on the way the bout's going?
बोत्सवाना बॉक्सर जो है उसने अपनी ताकत और हार्ड पंचेस से स्कॉटलैंड के बॉक्सर से जो है वो अग्रेसिवनेस है और वो उससे आगे बढ़ गया और उसके 2 पॉइंटों से पीछे स्कॉटलैंड के बॉक्सर हैं. बोत्सवाना बॉक्सर उसके पंचेस में बहुत ज़्यादा ताकत है और वो बहुत अच्छे दिमाग के साथ इस प्रतियोगिता को इस राउंड में वो लड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है.
4-2 का यहाँ पर स्कोर और डिफरेंस बहुत ज्यादा रहने वाला है. रमन, ये बात तो पक्की है.
The good thing is both the boxers believing in attack. That's why you might just see more points being scored. But the Scottish boxer Aston Brown's coming hard now in the second round. I think his coach has had a word with him and said, hang on, apart from scoring points, you also got to make sure you don't concede too many. Caution for using the inside of the glove. Oh, there's a strong left. Counting for points there. Yes, now Mothiba gets another point in. Just feeling the defenses of Aston Brown.
वाकई पता चल रहा है कि जो एक अनुभव होता है वो ज्यादा है मोतीबा के पास. एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ज्यादा है, एक्सपोजर अच्छा खासा मिला हुआ है इनको. ये इनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज बता रही है इनका बॉक्सिंग करने का अंदाज बता रहा है.
Getting another point in there. He's just slowly working on his opponent. Now that he's seeing Aston Brown has got his defenses up, he's actually slowly opening him up, waiting for the scoring opportunity. He knows he's not going to get any free punches in. Just waiting, trying to open up his opponent. He's got a 4-point lead now as Mothiba. Another one. Tried to go for the combination. I think he landed the right, and that's what got him the point. As was the case in the first round as well. It's Mothiba who's had the best of the initial exchanges. Can Aston Brown fight back? He's definitely getting the power behind his punches. Problem is, he's not getting them on target.
जो एडवांटेज देना चाहिए वो नहीं ले पा रहे हैं स्कॉटलैंड के बॉक्सर. एस्टन ब्राउन इस बार कोशिश की, लेकिन कि मोतीबा अपने डिफेंस पे भी ज्यादा कंसंट्रेट कर रहे हैं, न केवल ऑफेंस पर बल्कि जैसे ही अटेम्प्ट किया जाता है विपक्ष के द्वारा तुरंत पीछे हट जाते हैं.
Strong right there. Didn't count for points. Just felt a little hard done by that. The feeling that Brown was pretty imbalanced. Try to follow up with a left-right jab. And the hooter goes. End of the second round, 5 points in the lead. It's gone well this bout so far for Mothiba. Keeping his defense going and then jabbing hard with the right. That was a point I think should have counted. It didn't. Bharadwaj, your comments on that?
Well, I will like to say that Botswana boxer is boxing very scientifically. His punches are very hard. He is using his right hand, which is one of the best punch for Botswana boxer, and he has taken the advantage because of the right jab. His right jab is quite strong.
What would you say to Aston Brown as coach right now, Ashish? I wonder what kind of last-minute tips he's getting.
या फिर भागवत साहब ने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा कि जो एडवांटेज है उनके पास, उनकी लंबाई का, उनकी हैंड रीच का पूरी तरह से यूटिलाइज करें और अपनी स्ट्रेंथ के जरिए अपने टारगेट्स लें और फिर हिट करें. व्यर्थ ना जाने दें अपने टारगेट्स को, अपने पंचेस को. क्या ये संभव हो पाएगा?
We'll get to know the answer in the next 3 minutes.
मोतीबा क्या करेंगे? क्या अंक लेंगे या डिफेंस पर ज्यादा ध्यान देंगे?
Initially, he seems to be more on the defensive line. He's just keeping his defenses up. He's waiting for the counter attack. I think he's got a 5-point cushion. He's trying to make Aston Brown work around the ring. There's one man who has to do all the catching up, and that's Aston Brown in the blue corner. He's the one who'll have to throw